all the women there yourself. All the women, Masuna, you are proud to be a woman. You are proud to be a wonderful woman. You are proud to be a mother. See, you take like my mama. The way you sit down, I just remember my mama. You know why? Mama like money well. Mama when they use her ear hear money. I didn't want one of my friends just come and say, Julius, how much if you give me where I go run naked for road? I said, what bring that nonsense? That not be Chris. Now Chris be that now. Why go tell me say, man, you give me money, my Chris? He said, no, ain't that serious. How much? I said, drop 20 million now. I go just. He said, 20 million. Before you notice that happen, the guy don't drop 20 million. I don't remove all my shirts. Begin they run, they go, just they run. And they run, they go. As they run, they go see my mama, they come back from market. As she see me, I say, hey! Julius, who has done this to you? Oh, my village people, they don't want me to eat my sweat. Oh, who has? I said, Mama, stay one place. Not be crazy. Now money there, yes. He said, hey, who has done this? Oh, not be crazy. Now you remove all your clothes, you run, come on, walk out for road. I said, Mama, stay one place. Not be crazy. Now 20 million would they talk about so? He said, 12. You say how much? I said, now 20 million make me they run naked like this. So he said, hey. Now I say, you have to go house. If I come, I'll give you 2 million inside. Just they go. As they run, they go say, make I turn. Look whether my mama don't go house. Mama don't remove her own clothes, they follow me. As she run, they go, I call, they say, Mama, don't do this thing now, you disgrace me. They say, hey, shut up. Stay one place. 20 plus 20, not be 40, be that.